Welcome to Free to Cook. In this episode, we're going to make a simple chimichurri. Chimichurri is perfect for steak and only takes a couple minutes to make. Hey, that rhymed. One of the cool things about chimichurri is you can change any of the ingredients to suit your taste. To start, dice 2 cloves of garlic before adding it to a pestle or mortar. Crush the garlic to help it release some of its flavour. Next, slice 1 red chilli. You want just enough to give it a chili kick, but not too much that it takes away from the flavour of the steak. Next, you need half a bunch of parsley, roughly chopped before adding to the pestle or mortar. Season with salt and pepper. Then 1 tablespoon of ground cumin, 1 tablespoon of white wine vinegar, finally 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Mix it all together, making sure you work the parsley through all the ingredients. There you have it, a simple and quick chimichurri. This is perfect on a steak. I also love using it on a roast pork. If you found this recipe helpful, don't forget to share it, subscribe to the channel, like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and if you have any recipe suggestions, leave them in the comments.